Good morning, everybody. It is January 5th, so it's day 5 in Healthier Choices. So for breakfast this morning, I'm going to be making my Epicure pancake and waffle mix. So join me as I whip up the mix. Okay, here we are, part 2 of making the pancakes and waffles. I told you I was in my pajamas, you just couldn't see it earlier. So I let my pancake mix rest for 15 minutes. It lets the science of the gluten happen. I'm gonna turn that on like a medium-ish. I'm on a 7. This is our Epicure saute pan, love it, okay? Non-stick, this is what we're gonna use to make our pancakes. And we're just gonna let that warm up a little. So, if you haven't tried Epicure's gluten-free pancake mix, it's made with a rice flour, cornstarch, an organic cane sugar, baking powder, and sea salt. It is kosher checked, it's non-GMO and gluten-free, and it's Challah certified, in case those are things that are important to you. And you saw how easy it is to make. And then we're just gonna put a little bit of oil. Now this is also for waffles. I've always made these as waffles. I've never done it as a pancake mix. So I thought that today would be a great day to do pancakes because I made my husband a wrap of scrambled eggs with our pizza dip. If you didn't get our pizza dip, it was so good. Use the pizza dip, and then as the cheese, added some mushrooms, onions, and we had some leftover, so he's having that today. And I'm gonna have some gluten-free pancakes. Okay? So eating healthy can be for the whole family. Look how fluffy that is now. All right. And we're just gonna put those in the pan. And then I'm gonna let you watch them cook. So are you ready? Let's watch those pancakes cook.